Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to make your screen look smoother on Motorola Edge 60 Pro. First we need to go to settings, then scroll all the way down to about phone, click on device identifiers, then click 7 times on build number. Now once it's done, go to system, developer options. Now we need to find all of the scaling. It should be somewhere around here. Oh, there it is. Window animation scale. Turn it to 0.5 or off. All of these basically turn to 0.5 or off, and it's so much faster. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.